I hope you are doing well, inshallah. I know you will hear a very bad sound from there, but I just took a bath and I came out, and guess where we are? We are at Grand Mercure in Mysore. This was a date planned by my husband. He wanted to kind of give me a surprise because I was feeling down and under, not keeping well as well. So he gave me a surprise. We checked in late. We're just going to stay in the night and check out in the morning. So I was not looking that great at that time, so I just took a bath and I just freshened up, and I had no clue about it. So let me just show you. The room is already a mess because हम लोग आते ही जंगली के जैसे पूरे फैला दिए चीज़ें. But nevertheless, मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. रुक जाओ. That is the entrance, and you can see my husband there. And this is the bedroom, which is uber soft. और यहाँ पे अगर देखेंगे, there is one sitting arrangement. We've ordered dinner for ourselves, so we're going to watch movie and have some food and spend some time, because from almost 1 month we've not been alone together and spent quality time just by ourselves. So this is the mirror over there. It's not a mirror, it's a window. Right now you cannot see any view, but nevertheless, that's my husband's workstation for now, and this is a proper workstation space for him. And there you have a TV, and that's about it. Let me just show you what I've ordered for food. I was not expecting this much quantity because we were full, but yeah, we've ordered a chicken fried rice, and we're going to have it, and tomorrow I will report back to you guys. Good night. Good morning, everybody. Just woke up, and now we're gonna order breakfast, and then we're going to be Dora the Explorers, and then we will check out. Maybe I'll sleep sometime. I don't know. What's the time, Papa?
8:20.
Okay, it's 8:20, and I look as it is. I've slept and I woke up. This Janab doesn't want to wake up. Baba, you have work also, okay? Did you forget? Good night, people. No, I'm gonna wake him. Definitely. Changed so much. Earlier they used to give beautiful cups. Now you get disposable ones, disposable sticks. So traveling has changed a lot. It's not like before. So I'm going to make my morning coffee right now. I feel like having, normally I'm not a typical coffee person, but today I feel like having a bit of coffee. So I'm going to make that, and I'm going to order my own food, breakfast. Don't feel like getting up. गाइस पता है क्या हुआ? रात को जब हम लोग सो रहे थे, हमें रियलाइज़ हुआ कि ये बेड क्वीन बेड नहीं है. एक्चुअली दिस बेड इज़ जॉइंड. दीज आर टू सेपरेट ट्विन बेड्स विच हैज़ बीन जॉइंड टू मेक अ क्वीन बेड. So in the night at around, like when after we checked in and we were about to hit the bed, that's when we realized that it's not a queen bed or a king bed or a single bed, which is what we initially booked. And also in the reception it was clearly asked, do you want separate single beds? I don't know why they asked us that, because whatever, maybe that's the protocol. But yeah, when we clearly specifically told them, but we want a proper single bed, like king bed, which we've booked for. And हम लोगों ने रियलाइज़ नहीं किया, 12 बजे हो गए थे। देन वी वर रियलाइजिंग कि मतलब ये तो 2 बेड्स है और बीच में से पार्टीशन क्लियरली पता चल रही है। तो आई वाज सो पिस्ड ऑफ। आई वाज लाइक, आई विल कॉल रिसेप्शन एंड लेट्स चेंज रूम, बट माय हस्बैंड वाज लाइक, छोड़ दो यार, लाइक यू नो दे आर नॉट गिविंग दैट गुड सर्विस। क्योंकि कल हम लोगों ने चेक इन किया एट अराउंड 10:30 होगा कुछ, 10:30 के आसपास में, या फिर 11 हो रहे थे, ऐसा कुछ था, 10 आई थिंक 10:30 के आसपास में। तो फिर हम लोगों ने बोला कि सी हम लोग 10:30 के आसपास चेक कर रहे हैं, इज़ इट पॉसिबल दैट यू कैन गिव अस लेट चेकआउट, 4 बजे तक हम लोग निकल जाएंगे। उन्होंने बोला कि नहीं, दैट्स नॉट पॉसिबल, क्योंकि चार्जेस एक्स्ट्रा होंगे एंड वी विल बी लूजिंग आउट ऑन मनी एंड एवरीथिंग। सो दे गेव मी till 1. I somehow convinced and took it till 2. So loss, though I don't know how they are going through the loss, because we checked in at 10 o'clock, right, in the night, and we were going to leave in by 2, so we're not staying much here. So they could have extra given us like stay, because even in Leela Palace they were like comfortable with us to stay till 4-5, even though we checked in pretty early, like we checked in at around 6 o'clock, 6-7:30 ish. We were asked to check in if that's the case, and check out next day whatever time, like 4-5. They were still okay with it. We didn't want to abuse that power, so we just left at like 1 o'clock at the normal checkout times, like somewhere around that is when they have checkout times. And even when we stayed at Karali, that was the same case. They told us to check in at whatever time and check out at whatever time, even though the policy states clearly that you need to check in by this and check out by that. Like 3 o'clock is the check in and check out is by 11. We reached there late because of the rains and traffic and everything. So they were pretty okay with us to check out at 4, 5, 6. They were like, it's your mercy, you can aram se stay, no problems at all from our side. But हम लोगों को again we had to leave early because we have to cross a forest reserve which closes by 6 o'clock, and we were told it's because of lockdown it's 5:30. So we left early at around 12:30ish itself. The point is not to just because हम लोगों ने एक रात का होटल बुक किया है तो फिर we will be like we will overstay or whatever. It's just that कि हम लोग रात पे आए थे ना, तो हमारा विश था कि हम लोग 4 o'clock या फिर 5 को चेकआउट करते हैं एंड वी कैन स्टिल रोम अराउंड द प्रॉपर्टी एंड हम लोग दशहरा लाइट्स देख सकते हैं, विच वी वांटेड टू रियली बैडली डू दैट. But any which ways, the story of point of that was not that. I wanted to show you this. Let me just show you. Can you see they have joined 2 twin beds and made it into a 1 bed, and as you can see there is a division clearly over here. And we didn't realize until we slept, and we were like, okay, why have they done this? I mean, they have enough rooms. Yeah, it's not like बहुत overcrowded hai and overbooked hai hotel and they cannot give us rooms. They could have given us a room with a proper full like bed. Like, why? What are you trying to save here? Yeah, just meh, man. I honestly will not be coming back to this place ever again. I have lost that. And look at the view. It's obscured by all this design, and I cannot see the view from here unless I make the camera upwards, and yet, like, I can't. So any which ways, even if I was getting a roadside view, I just wanted to have it, but no problem. That's what it is. And the service is not that great. Ki, matlab, service is also not that. Became a South Indian all of a sudden. which I am. I'm very proud of my heritage. I am a South Indian. I have born and brought up. I was born and brought up here, raised in Mysore, and I'm very happy about my South Indian accent. So I'm just telling you, like, वो निकल जाता है, like mother MTI. Not that I'm telling it's bad to have that mother tongue, but yeah, not. I'm very proud of my heritage. I'm very proud of the city I was born in. What I was trying to tell is that even the room service was pretty bad. It wasn't great. Matlab ke we asked them, like, can we just roam around the property and go up the rooftop, and there's a nice view near the restaurant and the swimming pool. They said no, we can't allow that. Okay, maybe some standard look protocols. So there are like little things. I don't want to make a fuss about it because we had a good sleep, we just didn't relaxed and all of that, but I mean, come on. Yeah. I've stayed in the best. I've stayed in the averages as well, and I've booked it in Grand Mercure. I've not booked the Oyo room, so I expect much better service because my sister's rooms and all were booked during a wedding. So I've been here previously. It's just that I wanted to kind of stay and see how the service is for myself, and it was a surprise by my husband. So yeah, not that happy. I think we can have much better places to stay than this place. Although I don't really need to stay in a hotel in Mysore when I have my own home, which is far more luxurious for me than this. But we wanted to kind of have a nice time, and we didn't get that kind of a service. And one more thing I have to tell you, when we came in, we noticed that the bed sheet was torn. Can you imagine the plight? And nobody got us to the rooms and everything, so I could understand they're trying to do the social distancing and all that blah 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 stuff. But even at Leela, or even at Kairali where we stayed, people at least showed us to the room. Here they didn't. And let me show you the torn bed sheet first. Can you see that? That is down, mama. That's just one place. I saw it one more place. I don't know, somewhere I saw it, but that's one place. I think I saw somewhere here. I don't know. I saw it's one more place. So yeah, we got a torn bedsheet. We told them because tomorrow I didn't want them to be like, you tore the bedsheet, we will charge you extra for this bullshit service that we're giving. So we told them. They asked us if they want us to change, if they want them to change the bed sheets. We were like, no, we were like already exhausted, we wanted to hit bed and all of that. So we were like, okay, no, we don't want it. But that's something that they should know, right? Like, that's just basic hotel service, I guess. But no problem at all. अब जाके नीचे देखते हैं कि ब्रेकफास्ट में क्या है. कुछ कचरा होगा ना तो मैं जान से ही मार दूंगी. मुझे अगर इडली डोसा ही खाना था तो मैं ओयो रूम में जाके खाती ना. तो मैं जाके देखूंगी क्या है. You'll not jump to conclusions. I want good breakfast. I'm staying at a good place. I will kill them. If they don't have good service, I'm going to rate them so badly. They will regret it for the rest of their lives. As if it matters to them. I'm just a no one. But I will do my part. Because they're charging a bomb, and they should give service like a bomb.
So this thing was earlier it was
Found
supposed to
it.
be internal and then a global
Found
one
the
actually.
howl.
Right. So internal, but
One
since
into
because of all of this mess up that is happening with attritions, layoffs, and everything, right?
Can you see the dirty cushions? We didn't use this. This is dirty.
Today Sanjay is going to be on leave, so all the ops calls.
This one was the dirty one.
Update.
So yeah, not happy with the
Tomorrow, today and tomorrow.
with this quality that they've given us.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
Dosa ka na? It's okay?
Thank you.
You want to sawi also? You need dosa, anything?
I'm just taking it. I think we have to stand here.
I get it.
I got fresh chole. Yeah,
Is there no omelette?
yeah, well done. Thanga did not saying it's over.
No.
I take my words back. They're being very careful and hygienic about buffet. There's one person who's serving, and the food is divine. It's really good. So far, I've just tasted the chole bhature and they're amazing. So yeah, our food is good. So I'm happy about that.
They didn't have this service in Dubai, no?
Fresh vadas right from the kadai.